Guys, you're gonna be farming research points. You gotta get a pickaxe or something you can mine with and grab a rocket launcher. Then you want to go to this fan right here. Go up here. Go all the way to this crack. See those monsters over there? Don't go towards a spider or a mimic. You want to go over here. So here you'll see those plants. Get the one with the research points all over it. It'll like make you like go in there. So whenever you try to separate, it won't work. Keep on mining until you get some, like some company coins. Oh. Kale. So I just have one more. To switch codes every now and then so you can get farm over and over again. You guys have to switch codes every now and then if you want to do it fast. So like the planet spawns about it spawns more of those research crystals in 16 hours, which will take like a bit of a while. Goodbye.